What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about 3 things that will help you change your mindset and do better business. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about 3 things that are going to help you change your mindset, create more business for yourself, and just get you in a better mood altogether. I want to thank everyone for subscribing. We are very close to that 200 mark, so if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do that now. If you like this video, please crush that like button for me. So 3 things that are going to help you have a better mindset when you're going into business for yourself are as follows. And you may have heard these before. We're going to talk about how to start with them. The first thing I want to mention is that you are the average of the 5 people that you spend most of your time with. So you want to find 5 people that you want to be more like. Now you might be thinking, Aaron, that's hard to do. I don't know too many people that are like-minded of myself or that are looking to better themselves. So if you are asking yourself these questions, who am I going to find or who am I going to hang out with to better my mindset? I would recommend checking out some podcasts. There is a great number of authors that have podcasts. Tim Ferriss is one of my favorites to listen to. If you haven't checked out anything by Tim Ferriss, definitely start there. There's also plenty of YouTube speakers. So if you want to check out TEDx on YouTube, there are a wider range of speakers there. I'll link both of those in the comments below. The second thing you want to focus on is reading more. Most of your successful people will tell you that they read a lot. Bill Gates has mentioned that he reads 50 books a year. Mark Cuban devotes 3 hours a day to reading. Again, you may be saying to yourself, Aaron, I don't know any books to start with. I would recommend The Magic of Thinking Big to start with. It's a great book to start with. It helps get your mindset right. It helps get you thinking and asking questions. It's just an all-around good read. Another book that I would recommend is The 4-Hour Workweek, and this is by Tim Ferriss. This is the book that got me started listening to some of his stuff. This book will help you think outside the box. It will give you different ideas. Maybe you haven't come up with your $1 million idea yet. This will definitely get the gears turning for you. Again, I will link both these books down below so that if you want to check them out, you can look at them on Amazon. And finally, I would recommend networking. There's chambers of commerce, there's small business associations. You can find forums online, find like YouTubers, find podcasts of things that you're interested in, and send them an email. I mean, it's never been as easy to contact someone now through Twitter or Facebook or YouTube. And usually people are willing to help you get started because they're successful and they want other people to feel that success. So those are my 3 tips for today. Surround yourself with 5 people that are people that you want to be like or that are successful. If you don't have those people, find them. Either on podcasts or YouTube videos, email them, Facebook them, tweet them, just get their attention. And I'm sure that they would be more than happy to sit down with you for a couple minutes each week, even if it's on a FaceTime or a Skype. You want to read more. The average person reads 1 book a year. I mean, even if you devote 10 minutes a day to reading, you're going to be reading probably 30 times more than the average person. And get out there and meet people. Find those like-minded people, the people that are driven, the people that are going to encourage you and to drive you to success. Those are the people you should be looking for. Those are the things you should be doing. Those are the things that are going to make you successful. Those are the things that are going to change your mindset. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. It was a short one, but I feel like it is an important one. You can't be successful if you're coming back to negative thoughts. You have to stay positive. You have to surround yourself with people that are going to drive you to be successful. And sometimes that means that you're going to have to leave some of your old friends or your old family that they think a 9 to 5 is the way to go, or that you can't be successful because that market is oversaturated. I'm telling you what, you start doing these things and you are going to find yourself being a very successful person. I hope that you enjoyed this video today. Please comment down below if you like this video, things that you'd like to see in future videos. If you haven't liked the video, please hit that like button now. And if you haven't subscribed, we have plenty of other videos coming, and we've already done plenty. So just hit the sub button, and we'll see you next time. I appreciate you for watching.